Okay then, here we go with the Monday seedling updates. What is it, Monday the 13th of April today? Probably hard to make out, but there's quite a few tomatoes missing there. I've sold 30 odd today, but they're doing very well. Right, over to the greenhouse. Okay then, in the greenhouse, these peppers and chilies and the long Thai aubergine, these are all mine now. These ones here, they've mostly been potted up into, what are they, 9cm pots? Yeah. There's only 2 left for sale, which I'm not going to bother advertising these, I'll just keep them, I think. A couple there, a couple of stragglers there. Every other chilli and every other pepper sold. Fantastic. Gonna give these a good water in a minute. Loads of flowers coming up there. We got some cosmos and some marigolds in there. There's not an awful lot of change from last week, really. The Bolivian giant acucha, and those ones there, those chilies there, they're habanero chocolate and habanero Tobago. I'm just leaving those in case they decide they want to grow. These chilies here, these are peperoncino, the long green ones that are good for pickling, so they're going to be all mine, they are. Brassicas and lettuce doing very well in there. And that takes us up to the top of this rack with the aubergines. They're doing very well, very, very well. So I think we'll go along the top while we're here. Broad beans not doing very well at the moment. I'll have to check how long they took to germinate last year, but it's been over a week now. They've got to go out now. And that's a surprise from last week. The Cape gooseberries come up. Happy with that. Peas are doing very well. And the other lot of broad beans, they're just starting as well. More brassicas, more lettuce. They were in an Agroland last week. They've been potted up. These ones here. Like I said, it's all going to have a good watering soon. Dahlia seeds in there. They're just poking up as well. And these brassicas and the tomatillos, they'll need potting up tomorrow. Don't do today what you can put off till tomorrow. More dahlias in there, I believe they are. Yes, they are. A couple more trays of Jiffy 7 tomatoes. As you've seen, the Vitapod's pretty full up at the moment. And that brings us on to the herbs. I'm not going to go through all of these, but they're slowly starting to germinate. And a few more down here somewhere. Once we get the focus right. I'll tell you what, I have to get some lights under there, aren't I? Yeah, move those ones. Right, and I better do that in a minute. Give them all a quick water in. And last off, upstairs in the Vitapod. A few tomatoes, they're second sowings actually. And the rest, wow, what an incredible load of cucumbers. I don't know, look at that, I got to say, that's got to be 95% germination. Just a few at the back there not germinated. And as this is a seedling update, we also get the Gremlins seedlings in here as well. While the other 3 were at school, Harry did a bit of foraging and found a dandelion. So he has sown some dandelion microgreens. The tomato seeds sent over from Aunty Ali in Canada land, well, they've just started germinating. I sense a bit of competition coming up here. And to take the school jam jar experiment one stage further, they've sown some douche Provence peas today. I reckon they'll do very well in the jam jars, actually. Take care, guys. Catch you soon.